Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. We are seeking a bilingual French-English house manager for a private high-end residence in Paris. As the primary point of contact for the family, you will ensure the smooth running of the household and the highest standards of service. This role is suited to a hands-on, proactive professional, able to work alongside the team, coordinate staff and contractors, and maintain rigorous follow-up with a focus on quality and satisfaction. Attention to detail, strong organizational skills, and accountability. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.